Hello students, all is well. Welcome to our science class. This is part second of our chapter number 17, that is forests, our lifeline. In previous session we learned about structure of forest and then forests and their products, and we also saw the food chain. Now we are going to study about the forest, the green lungs of the earth. Or forests maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere through photosynthesis, like our lungs. Lungs also help us in oxygenating the blood and deoxygen and removing the carbon dioxide from the blood. Like that, forests maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere through photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plant manufacture their own food. In process, plant leaves use light from the sun to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. You can see on the screen, carbon dioxide is taken by the trees and oxygen is released. Water is absorbed from soil by plants. Again, sugar and oxygen are the end products of photosynthesis. The sugar is transported to the rest of the plants, and oxygen is released into the air and used by human beings and animals in respiration. That is why forests are called the green lungs of the earth. Uh, our next topic is forests and water cycle. Forests play an important role in water cycle as well. They contribute to it through transpiration. You know what is transpiration? Transpiration is the process by which water vapor evaporates from the leaves and stem of a plant into the atmosphere. It then rises up in the air. When it comes in contact with the cooler surface, it condenses and forms the clouds. Again, when the water droplets in the clouds becomes heavy, then they fall down as rain. The rainwater flows into the streams, rivers, and oceans, thereby completing the water cycle. You can see the water cycle on the screen. See the transpiration process. The water molecules are evaporated from the leaves. This process is called as transpiration. Then it rises up in the air. When it comes in the contact with a cooler surface, it condenses and forms clouds. You can see on the screen the clouds are formed here. And when the water droplets in these clouds become heavy, they fall down as rain, and the rainwater flows into streams, rivers, and oceans, and thus the water cycle is completed. So students, our next topic is forest prevent soil erosion. One day you come across a headline in the newspaper, that is lack of forest cover leads to flash floods. What are the connection between flood and forests? Roots of plants not only fix them to the soil but also bind the soil together. When the forests are destroyed, the topsoil becomes loose and is eroded by water and wind, because if the forests are destroyed, there are no roots which bind the soil. This causes an increase in desert land, and the fertility of the soil is also reduced. Erosion of topsoil also reduces the capacity of soil to absorb rainwater, and it causes floods. Also, forests reduce air and noise pollution. Suppose you are at a clinic and you complain itchy sensation of eyes and an irritation in throat. The doctor attributes the symptoms of pollution. The smoke and poisonous gases emitted by the vehicles and the factories are causes of such symptoms. But the situation would have been worse if there would not have been forest, because train clean up the air. absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Forests also absorb and block noise rising from the urban environment, thus making earth a livable place. So students, there are so many more benefits of forest, so we must preserve our forest, because if forest disappear, the amount of carbon dioxide in air will increase, resulting in the increase of earth's temperature, and it leads to the global warming also. Again, in the absence of trees and plants, the animals will not get food and shelter. In the absence of trees, the soil will not hold water, which will cause floods, and deforestation will endanger our life and environment. So, we must preserve our forest. Here we have completed our chapter number 18. Sorry, it is 17. Thank you. Have a good day.